Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 2.1 question number 5. Find the perimeters of triangle ABE, the rectangle BCDE in this figure. Whose perimeter is greater? Let us find the perimeter. Perimeter of triangle ABE. We will find the perimeter. Perimeter of triangle ABE. Triangle ABE. What is the perimeter of a triangle? Sum of all the sides. Therefore, we will write sum of all the sides, that is sum of AB side plus B, AB plus B plus B plus EA plus EA. We will add all the side of the triangle, right? Now here it is given that AB is equal to 5 by 2 centimeter, that is 5 by 2 centimeter, plus B is equal to 2 whole 3 by 4 centimeter, 3 by 4 centimeter, plus EA is equal to 3 whole 3 by centimeter, 3 by 5 centimeter. Now we'll add all the numbers, right? Let us add all the numbers. That is, it is 5 by 2 plus here 2 into 4, 2 4 is 8 plus 3, 9, 11, 11 by 4, 11 by 4 plus 3 5 is 15 plus 3, 16, 17, 18, 18 by 5, 18 by 5. I will find the LCM of these numbers 2, 4 and 5. Find the LCM. We are finding the LCM of the number 2, 4 and 5. First, divide it by 2, that is 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4 and 5. 1 to 5 is not divisible by any other number except 1. Therefore, the LCM will be 2 into 2 into 5. 2 to the 4, 4 5 is 20. The LCM will be 20. Therefore, we are getting LCM as 20. You divide 20 by 2, it is 10. It is 5 into 10 plus, if you divide 20 by 4, it is 5. It is 11 into 5 plus, if you divide 20 by 5, it is 4. It is 18 into 4. 18 into 4. Right? And we are getting 5 times 50 plus 5 times 55 plus 18 4 4 is 32, 4 is 4 5 6 7 72 by 20, right? Therefore, we are getting 5 plus 2 7, right? 7 plus 5 12, 12 plus 5 12 plus 5 17, 177 by 20 centimeter. This is in centimeter, right? Now 177 is the numerator is greater, therefore we have to divide 177 by 20. If we divide 177 by 20, we are getting by 8, that is 8 to the 16, 0. This is 7. 7 minus 6 is 1, 17. That means we are getting 8 whole 17 by 20 centimeter. This is the perimeter of the triangle ABE. Now we have to find the perimeter of the rectangle BCDE, right? I will find the perimeter of the rectangle BCDE, right? Let us find the perimeter of the triangle BCDE. Therefore, we have written that it is 8 whole 17 by 20, right? It is 8 whole 17 by 20. 8 whole 17 by 20. The perimeter of triangle ABE is equal to 8 whole 17 by 20, right? Therefore, we have to write this one. I will find the perimeter of the rectangle, right? Now, perimeter of the rectangle will be, here we finding that perimeter of the rectangle, perimeter of the rectangle of perimeter of the rectangle, perimeter of the rectangle, perimeter of the rectangle. What is the formula for perimeter of rectangle? That is 2 into length plus breadth. That is 2 into length plus breadth. That is 2. That is 2 into length plus breadth. Here you see the length of the rectangle is this one. This is the length, and this length is same. Then we can find that this length is 2 whole 3 by 4. Then we can write 2, and length is 2 whole 3 by 4, 2 whole 3 by 4, 3 by 4. And what is the breadth? Breadth here defined, that is 7 by 6 centimeter. That is 7 by 6. We'll find this perimeter, right? We'll find 2 in bracket. We change into fraction. 2 4 is 8 plus 3, 9, 11, 11 by 4, 11 by 4 plus 7 by 6 plus 7 by 6. Right? I will find what is the value, that is 2. Now, if we find the LCM of 4 and 6, what you will get? You see, LCM of 4 or 6. We will find the LCM here. LCM of 4 and 6, that is 4 and 6. That is divided by 2. 2 to the 4 and 2 3 is 6. LCM is 2 to the 4, 4 3 is 12. 12 is the LCM. Now, if we divide 12 by 4, that is 3. We have to multiply 11 with 3. 11 into 3. Plus, if we divide 12 by 6, it is 2. It is 7 into 2. 7 into 2. Right? Now, we are getting 2. That is 3 11 is 33. Plus 7 to the 14 by 12. Right? That is, we are getting 2 into 3 plus 4 is 7. 3 plus 1 is 4. 47 by 12. 47 by 12. Right? Now, if we divide this, if we cut it by 2, that is 2 1 is 2 and 2 6 is 12. Now, if we divide 47 by 6, what are you getting? Divide 47 by 6. That is, you are getting divided by 6. 6 7 is 42. 42. If we subtract it, 7 minus 2 is 5. That is, we are getting 7 whole, 7 whole, 7 whole, 7 whole, 5 by 6, 5 by 6, right? 7 whole 5 by 6 centimeter. Now, if we compare the perimeter of the triangle ABE and perimeter of the rectangle BCDE and perimeter of the rectangle BCDE. The name of the rectangle is BCDE. B, C, B, C, D, E. Here you find the perimeter of the triangle AB is 8 whole 17 by 20 centimeter and the perimeter of the rectangle is 7 whole 5 by 6 centimeter. Therefore, if we compare this, that this is 8 whole 17 by 20 centimeter and the perimeter of the rectangle is 7 whole 5 by 6 centimeter. Therefore, you see that this is greater than this number, right? This is 8 whole, this is 7 whole. Therefore, the perimeter of the triangle AB is greater than the perimeter of the rectangle BCD, right? Therefore, we found that therefore we find that therefore we are finding that perimeter of triangle AB perimeter of triangle AB is greater than perimeter of the rectangle perimeter of the rectangle BCDE. Right? Therefore, the answer is that perimeter of the triangle ABE is greater than the perimeter of the rectangle BCDE. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.